Hello and welcome to another one of our Parweld TVs. Today I'd like to introduce to you our new latest model, which is the XTT 315Di. Earlier on this year, if you remember, we introduced the XTT 212Di, being a single phase and 110 machine. This is a three-phase machine, can be with a water cooler or without a water cooler. This machine being a lot bigger than its previous machine. The 212Di was only 12 kilos in weight, quite easily to handle. This is a more chunkier model. It's a 38 kilo machine, but it's still manageable and quite easy to move around. But also you can have this on a mounted water-cooled trolley, which can be more portable and easy to use around the workshop. So a very brief introduction of the front panel is, you can see it's very, very easy to maneuver around. You just select, highlight it in the green, press it and move on. It just prompts you, so it's making it a lot easier for you to select the process and the current and whatever else you need to do. It's very, very easy to move around. Going further down the machine, you've got your positive and your negative polarity. You've got the Amphenol switch there for your torch, and also your gas hose pipe connection. Going back to the machine, to the front screen, just press and hold, go all the way back, and there we've got TIG Synergic, high frequency TIG, we've got lift TIG, we've got manual metal arc, we've got a help menu, and we've also got a memories where we can store your best settings for your jobs. So we can have a look at that in a little bit more better detail when we're going to try and do some welding later on in the workshop. On your screen now, you should be able to see an in-depth reference sheet regarding the XTT 212Di and a comparison between the XTT 315Di. For more details, please look at our website. Now, this particular model 315Di is sat on its water cooler. The big capacity there of 12 litres of water, coolant water. Your hose connections for your welding torch at the front. So everything's very, very easily and accessible to put your water in and just check. We've also got a filter there just to catch any debris floating around. Now, a more in-depth screen feature will come a little bit later on in our workshop for when we do the welding. However, this machine is capable of doing TIG Synergic, high frequency TIG, lift TIG, and manual metal arc. A great feature of this machine is that it also has multi waveforms. So we've got square wave, soft square wave, sine wave, and triangular waveforms in there, which can be changed around. We've also got the capability of using stitch welding and spot welding. Again, you can go into its timer and set it how you specifically want it. Now, this machine has also got the capability of coping with fluctuations of input current plus or minus 15%, and is also generator friendly. So you have an option of buying this machine in 4 different packages. So obviously the machine in package 1 with the input cable, the gas hose, and the welding return. So package 2 comes exactly the same as package 1 with a Pro Grip Max 26 and an argon regulator. Package 3, torch is slightly different, being a Pro Grip Max 18 and also water cooler and a trolley. And finally, package 4, exactly the same as package 3, but this time comes with a Pro Grip Max 20. So this was a very, very brief introduction of our 315Di. For more information, please go to our website and please look out for more videos on this particular type of machine. And we thank you for watching. Thank you.